Hello everyone, my name is Steffie.MixVlog from 5 Sapphire. For today's vlog, I am going to show you the experiment of physical and chemical change. For this experiment, here are the materials I will need. For physical change, I have cloth, scissors, glass of water, and sugar. And for chemical change, I also have vinegar, baking soda, glass, lighter, and paper. What is a physical change? A physical change is a change that alerts the form or appearance of a material but does not convert the material into new substance. For example, water can freeze, melt, or evaporate. These are physical changes because they are reversible. Here are the example of physical change. 1. Cutting a piece of cloth. Even though the cloth changes shape and size when it's cut, it does not create a new substance. It is still cloth. 2. Dissolving sugar into water is a physical change because even though the sugar and the water are mixed together, they do not combine and create a new substance. They are still just a sugar and water, and they can be separated from each other. In a physical change, you end up with the same substance you started with, even if it looks different. What is a chemical change? It is a change that occurs when a substance changes composition by forming one or more new substances. The new substances or product that are formed have a different chemical formula from the original substances or reactants at the beginning. Examples: combustion, oxidation, decomposition, rusting, and many types of chemical reaction that lead to the creation of new compounds or molecules. Here are the example of chemical change. 1. Mixing baking soda and vinegar. What do you think happens if you mix vinegar and baking soda? I saw bubbles. I heard hissing. That means a gas was released. It was carbon dioxide because vinegar is acid, acetic acid, while baking soda is a base, which is a kind of the opposite of an acid. 2. Another example of chemical change is burning of paper. When you burn the paper is transformed into a new substance, ashes. Ashes can't be changed back to paper because paper releases smoke and produces an odor. Sometimes a chemical change will cause a change in color, produces an odor, create a sound, releases gases, or produce light. That's all for today. See you in the next vlog. Bye!